creativity was really a lifeline, especially like at this moment in history.
I feel really lucky to be able to have a fun way to release all the pent-up anxiety and stress from the pandemic while being able to film something so beautiful and big.
It's people coming together, using the power of creativity to inspire change.
I think there's also something about being just like locked in a space where you can't really go out and you can't really do something that makes you more creative.
I think we were so desperate for some sense of faith, like amidst the bleakness and creativity sort of was that faith.
We need to keep making work, and we need to keep thinking about the world around us and what's happening to it and what we're all going through.
Loving and graceful sort of weirdness, is what I think keeps us going.